Welcome back to my channel. As you probably seen in the thumbnail, it wasn't a good weekend for us this weekend. The G8 is down right now. My son actually wrecked it. I guess father like son. I'm guessing he just took off from a stoplight a little too fast, and going into a curb, he actually hit the curb, which made him lose control. But fortunately, the car is not totaled, and I'm gonna insert this video of me doing a little walk around, and I'm gonna do a walk around the car. And just like I said, right now it looks like we're gonna be able to fix everything. So, and here's the walk around. All right, assessing the damage on the G8. We put the factory rims back on it because over here, these are all the wheels that are messed up. So he messed up 3 of the wheels. They all are bent somehow or cracked. And we got those 3. This is the only good one. So we don't have that much damage. You see, we need a front bumper cover. Also on this side over here, if you look up underneath, if I can get in there, the steering knuckle is broke right there. That's where that tie rod goes. So that's broke, so we're gonna have to get a knuckle. Right down here, the bottom of the radiator where it sits down into the frame rail, it broke, so we're gonna have to get another radiator. And you can see the back tire toed in a little bit. I actually brought it out some, but you can't see it because we got the tire on it. But if you saw in one of the pictures that I had, there's a camber link that goes back here, and the camber link is bent. So we can buy a new one of one of those. I think it's brand new. It was only like $77. So, and that's pretty much it. So the most expensive part is going to be the front bumper cover, and we can't seem to find them. And I can get a brand new one from GM for about $600. So, and we do have the grills. Both grills are good. They didn't break. So it didn't break the headlights or anything. Didn't mess up the hood. So we're good right there also. Okay, just wanted to do a little quick walk around just to show you the G8, the damage on the G8, and just like I said, we're gonna get that fixed as soon as possible. The GTO is still gone. It's been at the paint shop for over a month now, so I haven't had any contact with that, and just waiting for it to come back. My truck is actually down right now. I think I have a couple of lifters that failed, so I'm gonna be putting new lifters in that pretty soon, so that is down. And while my truck was down, I actually picked up a little beater car just to drive back and forth to work. So that's what's been going on. It's been a interesting month, a little over a month, but you'll see right now we started pulling stuff off of the G8. We pulled the front bumper off. We looked at the radiator. The radiator is bust, as you've seen in the video, on the bottom. So we're just pulling stuff off, and I'm gonna start buying all the parts, and then we're gonna get that going. Just like I said, it shouldn't be down too long. It wasn't a lot of damage, so it shouldn't be down too long. We're gonna get it going. You may be rocking the factory wheels for a little while until you can buy some more wheels. But other than that, he didn't get hurt. He didn't hit nobody else. So it was just a one car deal. And the main thing is he didn't get hurt. So everybody gets a lesson to learn. I learned my lesson, father like son, basically. So hopefully he learned his lesson, and we can go from there. And second time around, he'll be a little bit more careful and just pay attention to what he's doing. All right. Well, comment, like, subscribe, and look forward. Hopefully the GTO will be back by the time I have my next video, and you can see the outcome of the paint and everything. So comment, like, subscribe, and look out for my next video. Thanks.